Hello student, today we are going to study the grouping of adjacent ones, that is a pair, quad and octet. If in that group there are two adjacent number of ones and zeros, that is called as a pair. A group of four adjacent ones or zero is called as a pair and quad. If a group of 8 adjacent one or zero is called as a octet. First grouping of two adjacent ones. Grouping of two adjacent ones, that is a pair. If we group two adjacent ones on a K-map to form a pair, then resulting term will one less than literal or variable of the original term. That means by pairing two adjacent ones, one can eliminate and one can eliminate the variable. That is the logic for that pairing of two adjacent ones. First, take one example. The grouping of two adjacent ones can eliminate, and the how to pair the number of ones on that K-map. That is the example of that K-map. That one example here we take that this is the three variable structure. In that K-map there are logic. Another boxes their logic is putting 0 and here are 1 1. Then a grouping of this number of ones. For this one here is not. You have to check first how many number of ones and how many number of pairs, quad and octet on that K-map. Then for this one here is not one available, for this one here is not one available, but this one having here is one adjacent ones. You have to check the adjacent ones where is. For this one there is an adjacent one is here, and for this one here is not adjacent one, for this one adjacent one here is not available, but here is available. So we group this number of ones, and that adjacent ones, there are two adjacent ones, so that two adjacent one is called as a pair. That grouping of two adjacent one is called as a pair. So you have to simplify the Boolean expression from that K-map. For this one, this is the A bar B C plus for this one A bar B C bar. So you have to solve this expression, you have to reduce the expression, use the Boolean laws. So A bar B, same term, so common term C plus C bar, that is a C plus C bar is a law, that is a plus A bar Boolean law 1. So from this K-map we have to reduce that expression y is equal to A bar B. Next, second example. In that second example there are the three variable structure K-map. In that there are number of ones are here and here, so we group this number of ones, and in that grouping the number of ones are 2, so that is called as a pair. Next, in that we have to solve the equation from that Boolean expression, solve the Boolean expression from the K-map. For this one there is a term that is A bar B bar C. For this one that term is A B bar C. You have to reduce that expression, and from that expression you have to use the, for every step there is the Boolean law, and after that equation is a B bar C. Next one example. In that example, that also 0 here, 0 0, 1 and 1 here. For this you have to check where number of adjacent ones are and how to we group. For this one here is not one available, for this one here is not one available, so for this one here is one available, so there is a grouping is possible. For this one here is not one available, here is not available. If here is one available, then here is one pair, and this one is grouping. So for this and this this is the grouping for that, and in that grouping there is a number of ones are 2, so this is called as a pair. For this one there is a term that is A B bar C bar, plus for this one A B C bar. So this term is, in this term there is a common term, or you have to reduce that expression and use the Boolean law. So this term is A C bar B bar plus B bar and B, so that is a law A plus A bar is equal to 1. So after that reducing that expression, y is equal to A C bar. Next K-map. In that K-map this is a two variable structure. In that two variable K-map structure, A B this is a bar 0 1, this is a, here is a b bar, this is 0, this is a 1, this is a b, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1 and 0. Then how we group that number of ones? For this one, here is 1 available. For this one, here is available 1. So this one pair. For this one, here is not 1 available. For this one, here is 1 available. So this is the overlapping pair. This is the overlapping example of overlap. Example of overlapping pairs. So this is a pair 1 and this is a pair 2. This is a pair 2. For SOP expression, you have to put the logic 1 on a K-map, and for SPOS expression or max term, you have to put the logic 0. For grouping of number of ones, that expression is in the form of SOP, and while grouping of number of zeros, that expression is in the form of POS. That is the logic. So these are expressions are in the form of SOP. This is the overlap pair. From this pair 1, you have to pair 1. Pair 1, what is the equation? A bar, B bar. A bar, B bar. Next for this one, A bar, B. A bar, B. So what is the law? Or that is the A bar, B bar, B. B bar, B. So answer is A bar for pair 1. For the pair 1. Next pair 2. What is a pair 2? This pair 2. This is a pair 2. Then for this one, this is the A bar, B bar. And for this one, A, B bar. A, B bar. So answer is A bar common. Answer is A bar plus A law use, and answer is a B bar. So total answer is pair 1 and pair 2. Pair 1 and pair 2 answer. So pair 1 answer is A bar and pair 2 answer is B bar. Pair 2 answer is a B bar. So this is the overlapping of one example. Overlapping of example. See the one example. In that example, that logic, if there are the two variables A and B, answer 1. That is the while the pairing of adjacent ones resulting them will have one less than literal original term. That means pairing of two adjacent one can be eliminated the variable. 1 eliminated. From this A and B variable, 1 eliminated. From this and A and B, 1 can be eliminated. That the logic. That is the logic. This is the grouping, or we have to solve the number of ones adjacent ones in that. Take one example for the 4 variable structure. 4 variable structure having the number of boxes are 16, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar, C, D bar. In that, here are the all are the 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here is 1, here is 1, and all are 0. For this one, here is not 1 available. For this one, here is not 1 available. For this one, here is not 1 available. Adjacent one is not here. So for this one also, here is not 1 available. For this one, here is not 1 available. For this one, here is not available. But from top and bottom, there are the number of ones available. So we have to group that number of ones, and that is called as a pair. That is called as a pair. This is the group. That is a group 1. So for this one, this is logic A bar, B bar, C bar, D. For this one, A, B bar, A, B bar, C bar, D. C bar, D. So which term is same? B bar, C bar, D, and law is A bar plus A. So answer is a B bar, C bar, D. This is the way of grouping of two adjacent ones. Then grouping of 4 adjacent one. 4 adjacent ones. That is called as quad. That is called as quad. In that quad, there are number of, this is a take one example. That is directly that example is given putting the logic 1. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here is a B, here is a CD 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is a C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. This is a bar B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar. So this is the number of ones are here. Number of ones are here pair 4. For this one here is not, here is not. For this one here is not 1, here is not. For this one here is 1 available. For this one here is not 1 available. For this one here is not 1 available. Here is not available. Or top also not ones available. So number of ones are 4. In that group their number of ones are 4. So that is called as a quad. That is called as a quad. And in this there is, after forming the quad, there is a simplification takes place in such a way that there are two variables are not same, that will be eliminated. And that quad also logic you have to remember, in that quad two variables are eliminated, two remaining are the two variables. Two eliminate, two will you have to same or simplifying, you have to getting the two variables, and two also eliminated. This is the logic, that is for the 4 adjustment. And for the pair, one will be eliminated, one will be remain, one will be eliminated, one will be remain, and in this 2 will be eliminated, 2 will be remain. That is the logic for that. So for the grouping, this is for this one, that is a term, that is A B bar C bar D. For this one A B bar C bar D. For this one A row column A B bar C D. For this one A B bar C D bar. So that equation you have to simplify the Boolean expression for every term, that is term is as a common, that is A B bar. So from this C bar D bar, C bar D, from this to A B bar, and this is a C D C D bar. Then which is a for this, in this D bar is A B bar C bar and D bar plus D. In this term A B bar C and D plus D bar, D plus D bar. So answer A B bar C bar plus A B bar C. So D plus D bar is equal to 1. D plus D bar is 1. So in this term CNCR law, that is A bar A B bar C bar plus C. So Y is equal to A B bar C bar, that is Y is equal to A B bar. This is the Boolean expression you have to solve from the K-map, Next take one example. If number of ones are 4, that is called as a quad. So here is A B C D 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this is A B bar, A bar B, A B, A B bar, C bar D bar, C bar D, C D, C D bar. Directly here given the logic one here 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is the number of adjacent ones are here. So we group that number of adjacent ones are 4. So that is called as a quad. This is the square quad. This is called as a square quad. 4 adjacent ones are forming, and this is called as a square quad. So for this one, Y is logic A bar B, C bar D, D bar. Then for this one, logic A bar B, C bar D. For this one, A B C bar D bar. For this one, A B C bar D. So you have to find the same term and common terms. A bar B C bar, in that D bar plus D, in these two terms. In this two term, A B C bar D bar plus D, D bar plus D. So A bar B C, and A, B, C bar. D bar plus D is equal to 1. So answer is A. In this also term common, C bar plus in this A bar. So this is a B, C bar, A bar, A bar plus A bar plus A, B, C bar. So answer is B, C bar. That is law A bar plus A is equal to 1. A bar plus A bar is equal to 1. Take another one example. You have to, how do we group that number of ones?